Why choose a gluten-free breakfast?
Gluten-free breakfasts are perfect for those with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or anyone hesitant about gluten. By avoiding wheat, barley, and rye, you can help support digestion and overall wellness. Plus, gluten-free options encourage trying new grains, fresh ingredients, and creative recipes that keep mornings interesting and delicious.
Naturally gluten-free basics.
Some breakfast staples are naturally gluten-free. Eggs, yogurt, fruit, and most plain dairy are safe choices. Oatmeal is another popular option, but look for oatmeal labeled gluten-free to avoid cross-contamination. Mixing these wholesome basics creates balanced meals with fiber, protein, and vital nutrients for a great start to your day.
Creative gluten-free grains and breads.
Explore grains beyond wheat. Quinoa, buckwheat, and millet make tasty hot cereals or breakfast bowls. Many stores offer gluten-free breads, English muffins, pancakes, and waffles made with rice flour, almond flour, or other safe blends. Toast with nut butter, pancakes topped with berries, or a breakfast grain bowl all pack flavor without gluten.
Grab-and-go, gluten-free ideas.
Busy mornings are no problem with gluten-free options you can prepare ahead. Bake egg muffins with veggies and cheese. Make fruit and nut granola bars using gluten-free oats. Or layer yogurt parfaits with seeds and berries. Rice cakes with avocado or smoothie packs ready to blend are also quick and satisfying choices for life on the move.
Maintaining nutrition and variety.
A gluten-free breakfast can still be balanced and tasty. Mix whole grains with protein-rich foods and colorful fruits or veggies. Rotate between different recipes, grains, and toppings to prevent boredom. Planning ahead helps ensure you get all the important nutrients, like fiber, calcium, iron, and vitamins, while enjoying a gluten-free lifestyle.